The fires have definitely left a toll on the town. This was a golf club at one point. I'm struggling, guys.
Nature gives me an obstacle, and I'm thinking, I gotta do this.
Bert can't say much on vlogs because he says things that are funny and silly.
And maybe you shouldn't be said at all. Oh.
Greetings and salutations, my friends. Welcome back to another video. Here's Ollie. Here's Gretchen. And almost fell into the road here. Got Brandon up here. We are on another day of our Gatlinburg vacation. Starting off the day with a nice little walk here in the morning. Cool breeze. Started out really sunny, then it got rainy, and then it's sunny again. But it's cooled down. It's beautiful for a walk, and we're just kind of doing some exploring right now because of all the fires and stuff that happened earlier this year in Gatlinburg, and just kind of seeing some of what's left. There's been a lot of rebuilding and everything since then, but the fires have definitely left a toll on the town, and so we just kind of wanted to just take a look at some of that. And we're coming up on a building that was actually burnt right here, and you can just see that the fire just torched it. But directly behind it is this huge hotel, so you can see that the fires came so close to some of these huge buildings, and I'm just amazed that they were able to prevent some of this destruction, because I know that it was just crazy. It was just crazy. So we're gonna take a look at some of these buildings and just kind of see some of the wreckage.
Tried to find some peace of mind, lost in time, and I was torn from you.
To give you an idea of how hot this fire was, this was a golf club at one point, and we found a set of golf clubs here on the ground, and they were just torched.
Bert here. So I was talking with the maintenance man at our hotel, and he was saying that the guy who's evaluating all this damage said that so far there's about $6 billion estimated of damage. And he said, I haven't even completed my evaluation yet. And the most shocking thing was that these teenagers that were lighting off matches, throwing them, that started this whole thing, they were actually let off. There was no consequence of what they did, even though 14 people lost their lives. And that to me is just wild.
You can actually see behind me a tree. This tree here is half green on one side and burnt to a crisp on the other side. The flames must have come through over here and had just reached these trees, and the fire battalions somehow kept the flames at bay and preserved the tree, it looks like, at least on one side. It's hard to say if it will survive or not, but...
Stay too long. Now you're gone. We fell apart. You love somebody new, lost in your heart, baby. I'd really like to see you if I could turn back time.
Welcome back to Bert's Crazy Antics.
Just gotta say, last night, this guy was a champ. He won his son 2 little expandable balls from the game machine, and he was a champ. And so I'm thinking,
Crane claw.
during this whole time, I love my nephew so much. It's like the more that I get to hang out with him, the more I'm like, man, Ollie, I love you. And then, you know what? Nature gives me an obstacle, and I'm thinking, I gotta do this. I'm just thinking, what do I have to lose? So as you can see right here, we have a ball across the way right there, and I'm gonna try to go get it. So
All for a beach ball in a river.
I don't know if I'm gonna get to it without falling in. I'm gonna attempt to.
All right, pause this video and comment down below. Do you think he's going in, or do you think he gets the ball? Or do you think he falls in but still gets the ball? Let us know, and go.
Okay. Oh, but
How are you gonna get it back?
I'm gonna put it in my mouth.
I mean, you could throw it, but there's a chance it gets in the water. Oh, genius!
That is how it's done. Join us next week when I walk across a high wire.
It's pool time. We are clearly in the rain, as you can see. Since earlier today, when we were in the pool, it has pretty much become a gray,
You're not doing
rainy,
a very good job of covering me.
sorry, a rainy day, and I'm in charge of the umbrella and the vlog, and I'm struggling, guys. But we are weathering the storm right now, and we are traveling to dinner because we didn't have any food. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I don't ruin everything in the water here, but we'll see what happens when we get to dinner. I think we're going to Bubba Gump's, right? Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. It's gonna be great. I'm excited. I see shrimp Alfredo in Oliver's future. So, we'll see you there. You get a new boat? I don't think the boat has a sunroof, but you're gonna give it one.
Thank you for being.
Oh, yay! Just finished up Bubba Gump's. We're crossing the road now, heading on back to the hotel. Gonna enjoy a little bit of the scenery as we walk down the strip, and just enjoy the rest of the night because the rain is finally stopped.
We are about to go glow mini golfing.
Yep.
Bert can't say much on vlogs because he says things that are funny and silly.
And maybe you shouldn't be said at all. Oh.
So who won?
We both did.
We both did, tied it.
Let's do this.
Yes.
So the guys just did laser tag and Brandon got 181 seconds, which every time you hit a laser it would add 30 seconds. So he had to go in and touch a button and then come back. And it was 181 seconds total with hitting the lasers a few times. And Travis just got done, as you saw, and he got 257.7 seconds. So Bert's the winner.